What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fly in Skate 4 using a simple glitch. First, you need to find a wall or a spot on the map where your skateboard can attach at this kind of height. There are multiple places like this around the map that can trigger the glitch. The spot I'm showing here just works really well and is very consistent. So this is the location on the map. Once you're at a spot like this, climb up the wall. After you reach at the top, drop your skateboard by pressing RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation. When the skateboard gets attached, jump toward it by pressing A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. You need to try this a few times. Sometimes it will only launch you to a decent height in the air, and that's normal. But when the glitch triggers properly, it can launch you way higher. It literally sent me into the sky. You can see the entire map from up there. Just look at how much push I got. When that happens, you can glide by holding RB and A on Xbox or R1 and cross on PlayStation and move around while flying. It may take a few attempts, but once it works, you can stay in the air and fly across the map. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.